Brad Williams, Excel Prime.
Super simple ways of entering the current date or time into a cell. You want to enter today's current date, just hit on the keyboard, Control, semicolon. There you have today's date. You want to enter today's date and time, hit Ctrl+Shift, semicolon. You can add these together. So we can go concat, add this. We can add a space, can add 39. The date series is based on 1900. Well, this is 44,753rd day, 1900, and that's the time. And this is the confusing thing introduced to dates and times within Excel. They're all numbers. You have to do some configuration. The easiest way to do that is go up to numbers. We're in the home tab. We're in general. And what we want to format this so it's readable in terms of date and time. We're going to spend a lot of time on this, but for now, just hit short date. You can also enter equals now, parentheses, and that will give us today's date, Monday, July 11th. This is active. Tomorrow, this will update to July 12th and so on and so forth. So it recalculates. If you're sensitive about recalcs, it can bog down your system if it's a long recalc. It's dynamic. Just keep that in mind. And you can also go equals today, two parentheses. It will just list 7/11, date and time. You can go now to get today's date, and this will roll over to, let's say this is an invoice. You can put this in your invoice and it'll update every day. If you don't want this particular format, you can change your format. Here we are in a date function. We can go to more numbers, custom. Here you're going to have a whole bunch of different options, and we'll talk about all these later. But you can just scroll up and down, and you can see right here how the view will change. Go back to custom, just roll up and down, and you can see how it will show up. Date, see number formats and date formats, and see here it says 7/11/8/22. So if I want to change this format to show time, it shows 8:45. If I want to see it, I can go in here and put time. See how it shows hours, minutes, seconds. See where it says 7/11/8:45. I could put day here. I can put day. I can change this Monday 7/11/22 at 8:45 a.m. If I hit F9, which recalculates, it's going to show Monday 7/11 at 8:48. So look at your time. There you go. There's a quick way to change your dates and time.
Brad Williams, Excel Prime, Williams out.